ready to access the funds you've earned or saved on PandaBuy. Let's dive straight into how you can withdraw your money. The journey to withdrawing your funds begins once you've initiated a sale or are ready to access deposited money. First things first, ensure your PandaBuy account is fully set up and verified. This is crucial for a smooth and secure transaction. Head over to your PandaBuy account dashboard. Look for the section related to your balance or funds. You'll typically find an option clearly labeled withdrawal or something similar. Click on the withdrawal option here. You'll need to specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to double-check the figures to avoid any errors. Next, you'll choose your preferred withdrawal method. PandaBuy usually offers several reliable options, like direct bank transfers or other reputable payment gateways. Select the one that's most convenient and available in your region. Depending on your chosen method, you might need to provide specific details for bank transfers. This will include your bank name, account number, and routing information. For other methods, you'll enter your account credentials for that service. Remember to enter this information accurately. Before finalizing, you'll be presented with a confirmation screen. Review all the details one last time, especially the withdrawal amount and your selected method. Once you're satisfied, hit the confirm button. Your withdrawal request is now initiated. PandaBuy will then process your request, and the funds should appear in your chosen account within the specified time frame, usually a few business days. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to withdraw money from your PandaBuy account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more PandaBuy tips.